Welcome to Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust's Schools online nature quiz for just a bit of end of term fun. So we have 3 rounds of 6 questions on different themes. So if you want to get your pens ready now and your marking sheet, I will start with the first round of questions. So question number 1 is, how many legs does a dragonfly have? 4, 6 or 8? This is the multiple choice round, so you get answers to choose from. Number 2. What is a tree creeper? Is it a bird, a plant or an insect? Which of the following is a crustacean? An earwig, a centipede or a woodlouse? An ear, a centipede or a woodlouse? Which of the following is an amphibian? Is it a grass snake, a common lizard or a smooth newt? Is it a grass snake, a common lizard or a smooth newt? Question number 5 is tricky. Which of the following birds is a member of the crow family? Is it a jay, a wren or a blackbird? And question number 6, I'm going to read a passage as if I was an animal and you have to guess, who am I? I am a small mammal with dark velvety fur. I have very small eyes and powerful large front jaws. I eat worms and insects. I am rarely seen by you, but you can see evidence that I've been somewhere, like a field or a garden. Who am I? Okay, that was round 1. Round 2 is about trees, their leaves and their fruits. So question number 1. What kind of tree does this leaf come from? Have a good look. What kind of tree produces leaves like this? Right. Question number 2. What kind of tree does... Oh, no, sorry, I jumped ahead. Question number 2 is, are holly trees and bushes deciduous or evergreen? Are holly trees and bushes deciduous or evergreen? Question number 3. What kind of tree does this leaf come from? What kind of tree produces these leaves? And the stem, have a good look at the stem. A clue there. Question number 4. What kind of leaves does a rowan tree have? Is it needles, compound leaves, or heart-shaped leaves? Question number 5. What is the name of the disease affecting ash trees in our communities at the moment? What is the name of the disease affecting ash trees in our communities at the moment? Question number 6. What kind of tree produces these? You see that? Okay, that's round 2. Done. So, round 3 is 6 random questions. No multiple choice, no leaves. Question number 1. What is the name of the only venomous snake in the UK? What is the name of the only venomous snake in the UK? Sorry. Question number 2. How do frogs catch their prey? That's a good question. How do frogs catch their prey? Question number 3. What does the word predator mean? What does the word predator mean? So we've got some noisy crows up there. Question number 4. What colour is the wildflower cowslip? What colour is the wildflower cowslip? Question number 5. What kind of animal is a muntjac? Kind of an animal is a muntjac. And our final question in round 3 and our final question overall is, which bird lays its eggs in other birds' nests? Which bird is known for laying its eggs in other birds' nests? So that's our final question. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you do well. And tune in for the answers very soon.